Hello everyone, we're going to be doing another formal charge problem. And so this question says to determine the formal charges on hydrogen, carbon, and nitrogen, respectively in HCN. So at this point, we've done a number of Lewis structures already, so we know the four steps in which to follow. So let's go ahead and do those first. First, we have to determine the number of valence electrons. We know hydrogen donates 1 valence electron, carbon donates 4 valence electrons, and nitrogen is also going to donate 5 electrons. We add this all up together, we should get 10 valence electrons that we need to distribute. We then have to identify the central atom. In this case, carbon is going to be our central atom. It's important to note that hydrogen is always it will never be a central atom. It will always be bonded to the central atom. So we've identified our central atom. Let's go ahead and draw our skeletal structure. And then once we've done this, we can go ahead and distribute our electrons. Remember to always distribute them first to your bonded atoms. We have 10 electrons to distribute, so we divide that by 2. We have 5 electron pairs to distribute. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We've distributed all 10 electrons in this case. So let's make sure everything has its octet or duet in the case of hydrogen. Well, hydrogen has 2, nitrogen has 2, 4, 6, 8, and carbon has 2, 4. So carbon's not does not have an octet yet. So let's go ahead and form some double bonds or multiple bonds in order to do so. So once we do this, we have carbon double bonded to nitrogen. And this is our structure so far. So we have carbon 2, 4, 6. Not quite there yet. So we form another bond, and we're now going to have a triple bond from carbon to nitrogen. And the structure should be as followed. And carbon has 2, 4, 6, 8 electrons, so it's obtained its octet, and nitrogen also has its octet, 2, 4, 6, 8, so we're good to go. So when we're doing formal charges, it's important to note to follow the following equation. We'll do it for each one of them. So for hydrogen, how many valence electrons do we have? That's right, we have 1 valence electron minus the number of lone pairs. We do not have any lone pairs, plus the number of bonding electrons divided by 2. So we have 2 bonding divided by 2 is 1. We have 0 for a formal charge on hydrogen. Let's do carbon now. Carbon has 4 valence electrons minus how many lone pairs? We do not have any lone pairs on carbon, plus the number of bonding electrons divided by 2. So 2, 4, 6, 8. 8 divided by 2 is 4. So we have 4 electrons. 4 minus 4 is 0. And then for nitrogen, we have 5 valence electrons minus the number of lone pairs. We have 2 lone pairs plus the bonding electrons divided by 2. So 2, 4, 6. 6 electrons divided by 2 is 3 electrons. Three plus 2 is 5. 5 minus 5 is 0. So if we do the sum of all our formal charges, it is 0 for the total molecule. And that's how you approach this style of question. Thank you.